Yan, dito tayo guys sa Mr. Lube and Tires. Dito sa Lakewood, Halifax, Nova Scotia. Gawin natin yan. Ang gagawin ngayon, Sky Mazda 5 ay... Magandang araw mga kapins. Welcome back sa channel ni Pins TV. Ngayon ay May 20, 2024, 11:05 in the morning. Makulimlim ang paligid natin mga kapins. So, yun. Samahan niyo ako mga kapins. Papagawa natin si Mazda 5. Kasi ano na, malapit na mag-June. Di pa napalitan yung yung ating winter tire. Ito yung binili natin sa Sackville. And yan, palitan natin yung yung winter tire to all seasons tire or summer tire. Alam ko all seasons to eh. So yun mga kapins, maliban sa winter tire na papalitan din natin to brake light kung may stock sila, and oil change na rin mga kapins. Intro muna tayo mga kapins. So yun mga kapis, kung makikita nyo yan, 161,000 yung yung kilometer niya pa sa odometer para magpalit ng oil. Tingnan nyo yung ating yung odometer. So 161,028 kilometer. Kaya kailangan na nating mag-change oil change yan. Samahan nyo ako mga kapins. From our house, siguro mga 8 to 10 minutes yung yung pupuntahan natin. Yan, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo mga kapils. So approaching tayo sa highway 102. Yan, sa highway. Okay. So baka magtaka kayo, yung pupuntahan natin is pwede mag-walk-in doon eh. Kasi karamihan dito mga kapins, yung mga shop, mga talyer, mga shops, talyer ay by appointment. Kailangan tumawag and then schedule ka. Yun. Ngayon ay Monday, kataon day off ko. Try natin magbaka sakali. Pero kanina, yung may number sila dito sa sa aking sa flyers na pinakita na na-receive natin magmula sa mail box. Trinay kong tinawagan. Kaya, yun. Open naman daw sila today, Monday. Ngayon pala ay holiday dito sa Canada kasi Victoria Day. Kaya karamihan sa mga establishment ay sarado mga kapins. Ayan. So enjoy nyo yung view kasi foggy na naman. At saka talagang mahamog siya. So ang temp naman ngayon ay mainit naman. Nasa 9 siguro, 8, 9 ganun degrees Celsius.
Kasama kayo, mga ginagawa ng OFW. Dating crew sa Jollibee store, naging manager for 20 years. Nagsikap, nagtiyaga, at ngayon nasa Canada na. Taasan lang ang pangarap, mga kapins, para mataas din ating marating. Maraming malalaman kay kapins, laging positive sa Pins TV. Laging positive lang, at laging masaya. Pins TV ang inyong kasama.
approaching the Lacewood Drive, no? So pagka kumaliwa ka sa Bayer Street naman yung business center. So dito tayo sa Lacewood Drive, kakanan tayo. So yan. So dito yung parte ng ng Halifax na papunta yan. Pag diniretso mo yan ay papuntang Clayton Park and Fairview din, saan tayo galing. So actually nasa 6 minutes lang pala. 6 minutes drive mula dun sa sa bahay. Yan. So this is my first time, no? So welcome to yan, pupunta natin Mr. Lou.
Laging masaya, Peace TV ang inyong kasama. Kahit na mahirap, para sa pangarap, Buhay Canada ay ipapakita niya sa Peace TV. Positive lang at laging masaya, Peace TV ang inyong kasama. Kahit na mahirap, para sa pangarap,
Hi, good morning. Good, how are you?
I'm good. How may I help you?
Yeah, I just want to make an
Tire change?
tire change, oil change, and brake light, change of brake light if ever.
Actually, we cannot do today. We have only limited cars for the day.
No, I just called up like 20 or 30 minutes ago.
30 minutes
Yeah, that's why I came.
So yan.
I called.
Yan po yung pupuntahan natin.
That's why yeah, thank you. Even I am the last, it's okay, brother. I'll wait.
Just give me, I have to calculate the...
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, I can take just only one car right now. So, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, you can wait here, okay?
Okay, thank you so much, brother. Sorry, brother. I have
That's okay.
Okay, thank you, brother.
Yun, pwede daw.
Sabi ko kasi tumawag ako 30 minutes ago eh. So, dapat di na ako kasama. So, yan. Kwentuhan ko kayo mamaya ulit mga kapins. Yan. So, yun, dito. Yan. No appointment needed. So, holiday kasi ngayon. So, ang business hours nila ay hanggang alas 5 lang. So, ayun, anong mga tip? Ang tip natin, syempre, expect natin na mahaba yung pila. Yan yung isa. Alis na yata. Hindi, Hindi siya na yung sunod. Yan. Expect natin na mahaba ang pila. So, kumain na ako. So, kasi nung nag-inquire ako dito last week, usually, tawag dito, inaabot daw ng 4 hours. So, tingnan natin. So, ngayon ay nasa 11:15 siguro. Nasa 11:15 AM na. And yun. Ang papagawa natin ngayon ay tire change, oil change, saka yung brake light, no? Yung replacement ng brake light. Ngayon, kung abot pa sa budget, yung cabin filter kasi matagal-tagal na rin hindi napalitan. So yun lang mga kapins. Update ko kayo ulit mamaya. So for now, habang iniintay ko ay mag-edit muna ako ng mga vlogs natin. Mamaya ulit mga kapins. Salamat!
Peace TV ang lagi niyong kasama. Laging positive lang at laging masaya. Peace TV ang inyong kasama. Kahit na mahirap, para sa pangarap, Buhay Canada ay ipapakita niya sa Peace TV. Positive lang at laging masaya. Peace TV ang inyong kasama. Kahit na
Yun mga kapins. Yun, nasa parking pa rin tayo nag-aantay. So, nasa 45 minutes na nakakaraan. And yun, baka magtaka kayo mga kapins kung bakit ako hindi nagpagawa sa sa mekanikong kilala natin na malapit sa bahay. So, mayroon kasi siyang nagpa-opera kasi siya ng tuhod. Kaya hindi siya available. May binigay naman siyang nirefer naman siyang mekaniko. Kaso, hindi naman sumasagot. Baka busy. Kahit tinawagan ko. So, no choice. Dito tayo sa Mr. Lube. Magpapagawa. And, tabayanan niyo yung video nito hanggang matapos kasi i-reveal natin kung magkano yung total na nagastos or magagastos natin na binayaran natin later, no? Mga kapins. So, yun. Comment down below, no, mga kapins. Yung experience nyo, kung paano yung first
So yun mga kapins.
time or
ito pala
first
yung
ever
kanilang,
experience nyo sa Mr. Lube.
kanilang business hours.
Recommendable ba siya or
Monday
hindi?
to
So, yan yung i-reveal natin mamaya at isi-share sa inyo mga
Friday,
kapins.
8 a.m.
Kasi kung
to
bago
8
ka,
p.m. Saturday to
So, may sasakyan, especially dito
Saturday,
sa Halifax,
8
Nova
to
Scotia.
6 p.m.
Yan, tabayan yung
Sunday,
mga vlogs natin para
10 a.m.
i-share,
to 5.
no?
Yeah.
Dahil,
Saka pag holiday yata hanggang 5 sila.
yun talaga, sharing
So,
is
yun
helping,
naman.
no?
So after 1.5
Kaya
hour,
yung
nandito
bago.
na tayo sa
Kailangan makakapaka
sa
talaga,
pangatlo
no?
tayo. So isa nasa loob, pangalawa to. Then tayo.
Kahit na mahirap, para sa pangarap, buhay Canada ay ipapakita niya sa Peace TV, sa travel at road trip, kayo ay isasama niya, tara maggala.
Yes, sir. Change of
Buksan tayo,
tire,
mga kapins.
oil change, and the brake light. If, the upper... Yeah, no problem. Here. 161034.
161034.
Yes, sir.
You can shut it off, sir, and open the hood.
Okay.
Do you have the lock key, sir? The wheel lock key?
This one?
Just press the brake. Brake.
Yeah.
On and off. On and off. Again and again. Signal. Left signal. Right signal. All the lights are good.
The upper?
The top one we cannot do that.
Oh, okay.
LED.
LED. So
LED.
you have no stocks for that? Okay.
Unlock the car. Like unlock all the doors.
Okay.
Shut it off.
Okay.
No, it's LED.
The
LED.
LED. So how much is that usually?
Yeah.
I have no idea. The whole whole.
Engine oil is done.
Okay.
Yeah, after every 50,000 kilometers
Yeah.
for 2 years, you need to change your year, make and model.
So this time you need to change now or on a later date?
We call it high mount. This time is
High
pretty
mount,
dark
right.
right now.
Okay.
It's similar to your engine oil color. This pink color, I'll show you the one.
So for example, I buy outside and I'll go here. Is it?
The whole panel has to come off.
Okay.
You need to go to the mechanic.
Okay.
So it's pretty bad.
That's the transmission oil, right? I think maybe next time.
Okay. You want to know the price just in case?
Yeah. How much is the?
Because you will get $10 off.
How much is the for transmission oil?
Malalaman nyo mga diskarte, ituturo niya dito. Maraming kaalaman, marami kayong matututunan. Kay Pins TV, sa Pins TV, lagi kayong manood. Sa kanya ay laging sumunod. Basta laging may tiyaga para sa pangarap at pamilya. Pins TV, ang lagi nyong kasama. Laging positive lang at laging masaya.
So usually we charge 155 for the transmission, but with the oil change you will get it for 140 because we don't charge labor for that.
Okay.
But you have that $10 off here. You will get for 129 on the transmission. So basically you will get $20 off, and you will save another like $25 on the labor.
So usually, what's the result if the transmission oil was not changed? So what's the result?
So basically after the engine oil,
Yeah.
the main thing on your car is transmission. And when
Okay.
you put it on the drive,
Yeah.
it keeps shifting automatically. So that part has the oil in it, which should change after every 50,000 or 2 years. And you're using that all the time. And the transmission is on the front.
Yeah.
It lubricates your front axle as well
Okay.
because it's front wheel drive. So one transmission doing two things.
So it's
And the-
better to.
Better to change it.
To
As
change.
per the color,
Yeah.
why it gets brown,
Yeah.
the magnet from the gears
Okay.
that mixed with the oil and that makes it.
Okay.
So that needs to be cleaned out after every 48,000 kilometers or 2 years.
I think yeah, we can do this.
So you should better do it
Yeah.
because if it breaks down, then it costs you so much money to fix that.
Okay. Copy.
Same idea as you do the oil change on time, right? If you don't change your engine oil, your engine start overheating and cause other problems.
Yeah, I got
Same
you.
thing with the gears.
Yeah, you can do that today.
Yeah, same time.
Okay. And the discount you.
You will get 20, so basically it will be 357 plus tax and $20 off at the end.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Copy.
Anything to drink, coffee, water for you?
Wait, coffee if you have.
How would you like it?
Okay.
Black or double?
Double.
Double?
Yep. Thank you. Ayun. So, wala yung brake light. Pero yung transmission oil, kailangan ng palitan. Nakita ko maitim na. Ayun. So, mamaya ulit, update ko kayo mamaya mga kapin. So, ang gagawin ngayon, change oil, change ng tire, tsaka yung transmission oil, tatlo. Pero yung ilaw dun sa itaas, hindi mo magagawa. Kailangan daw, bumili ng ng LED. Pero titingnan ko sa siguro sa
Tapos na. Yan, may nakabit na yung ating tire. Brand new.
Tanggalin natin ito.
Pits. Thank you.
170.
Dito kayo sa final price.
Pagpapalit.
Yun, bago tayo mag-end mga kapins, i-reveal ko na yung presyo, no? Kung magkano. So, yan. Yan, no? $388.62. So, yung ginawa nga, yun. Ito yung, ano, ito yung description ng mga ginawa. Pero, yan. Change oil, transmission oil change, saka yung tire change. So, ang total ay $357.90 less 20 na dalawang $10 na discount. So, $337.93. Then, plus tax, $50.69 na tax. Oh my God, $388.62. So, yun. So, ito na nga mga kapins. Yun o. So, pipicturean ko yung details and isasama ko dito yung ano sa vlog natin mga kapins. Okay? So, yun lang mga kapins. Salamat sa inyong pagsama sa akin and next time, tingnan natin kung papagawa natin yung brake light sa taas. Sa ibang tao siguro or ibang shop. And yun. Ingat kayo lagi and don't forget the hashtag PinsTV. Pinoy in Nova Scotia, Philippines know. Yeah, because sharing is helping. And don't forget na i-share, like, and subscribe na rin sa YouTube channel ni Pins TV and sa Facebook page ni Pins TV. Salamat. Bye-bye.